Hi everyone! In this video, we're going to look at the top 5 best knife sets. We made this list based on our own opinions, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So here are the top 5 knife sets. Number 1. WÜSTHOF Classic 9-piece knife block set. Looking for a professional-grade knife set that lasts a lifetime? Let's talk about the WÜSTHOF Classic 9-piece knife block set, a premium upgrade for serious home cooks and culinary pros. This set includes full-tang knives precision-forged from a single piece of high-carbon stainless steel, offering exceptional durability, balance, and cutting performance. The ergonomic handles are crafted from polyoxymethylene, POM, a synthetic material that resists fading, discoloration, and wear, even with daily use. Top features: razor sharp, precision-forged blades, long-lasting, fade-resistant handles, a sturdy block with 9 essential tools including chefs, utility, bread, and paring knives pros. Incredibly sharp, perfectly balanced, and built to last. Cons: it's a premium set, so the price is on the higher side. Best for passionate home chefs, professionals, or anyone ready to invest in quality cutlery that will perform for years. This isn't just a knife set, it's a long-term kitchen partner. Number 2. Ninja K32017. Foodi NeverDull 17-piece knife block set. If you're tired of dull knives ruining your prep time, the Ninja Foodi NeverDull premium knife set might be your new favorite kitchen upgrade. This 17-piece system is packed with German stainless steel knives, razor sharp, rust-resistant, and designed to handle everything from slicing bread to trimming meats with ease. The game changer? It features a built-in sharpener with Ninja's NeverDull technology. Just swipe the lever and your knives stay professionally sharp for over 10 years. No guesswork, no dull blades. Top features: forged German stainless steel for durability, ergonomic, chef-approved handle for comfort and control, built-in sharpener with a foolproof stone wheel for effortless edge restoration pros, always sharp blades, full knife range, stylish block design. Cons: the block is a bit large, so make sure you've got counter space. Best for busy home cooks and kitchen enthusiasts who want pro-level sharpness without the hassle. With the Ninja NeverDull set, your prep game just got seriously upgraded. Number 3. Shun Classic 7-piece knife block set. If you're serious about cooking and want tools that match your passion, the Shun Classic 7-piece knife set is a true standout. This Japanese-crafted set includes all the essentials: chef's knife, paring knife, utility knife, bread knife, herb shears, honing steel, and a sleek bamboo block to store it all. What makes it special? These knives are made with VG Max steel and wrapped in 68 layers of Damascus cladding, giving you razor-sharp precision and incredible edge retention. The 16-degree cutting edge makes slicing effortless. And yes, you can feel the difference. Top features: authentic Japanese craftsmanship, Damascus-clad VG Max steel for sharpness and durability, comfortable D-shaped Paka wood handles for control pros, premium quality, elegant design, lifetime performance. Cons: higher price point, but you get what you pay for. Best for home chefs, culinary students, or anyone ready to invest in top-tier. Number 4. Material Knife Trio Plus Knife Stand. Looking for a sleek, high-performance knife set that looks as good as it cuts? Meet the Material Knife Trio Plus Knife Stand in cool neutral and white ash, a minimalist kitchen upgrade with maximum impact. This premium 3-piece set includes a chef's knife, serrated knife, and paring knife, all crafted with 3 layers of ease. Japanese stainless steel and high carbon, giving you strength, sharpness, and durability. Whether you're slicing veggies or cutting meat, these knives perform with ease. Top features: cryogenically tempered blades for razor-sharp edges, full-tang design for perfect balance and durability, magnetic stand made from FSC-certified wood. Holds up to 8 knives and looks gorgeous on your counter. Pros: ultra-sharp, beautifully balanced, stylish magnetic stand. Cons: not dishwasher safe, premium price tag. Best for design-focused home cooks, chefs who appreciate Japanese craftsmanship, or anyone looking to invest in a standout, space-saving knife. Set chic, sharp, and sustainable. This set proves that form and function can live happily on your kitchen counter. Number 5. All-Clad Forged German Stainless Steel Knife Set. 12-piece looking for a knife set that combines pro-level performance with kitchen counter style? Meet the All-Clad 12-piece Forged German Stainless Steel Knife Set. The perfect balance of durability, sharpness, and precision. This set includes everything from a chef's knife to steak knives. All fully forged from German stainless steel and cryogenically treated for incredible edge retention and corrosion resistance. Top features: cryo-treated forged blades for lasting sharpness and strength, 26-degree cutting edge on main knives. For expert precision, elegant acacia woodblock for organized, stylish storage pros. Razor sharp, well-balanced, highly durable, includes all essentials. Cons: slightly pricier than basic sets. Utility bread steak knives have lower edge angles, best for serious home cooks, culinary enthusiasts, or anyone upgrading their kitchen with a premium, professional-grade knife set. If you want long-lasting sharpness and top-tier craftsmanship, this All-Clad set won't disappoint. Check the description below for links to detailed information on each product. Don't forget to leave a comment to let us know your opinion. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons. We'll see you guys in the next video.